Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup better. First, let's talk about the foundation, your broth. A truly exceptional soup begins with a rich, homemade chicken broth. Roasting your chicken bones and aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions before simmering them for at least 3 to 4 hours will create a deeply flavorful base. Using a whole chicken or bone-in pieces ensures maximum flavor extraction, making all the difference in your final dish. Next, let's elevate your aromatics. Sautéing your mirepoix, that's diced carrots, celery, and onion, until they are tender and slightly caramelized before adding your broth will unlock their full flavor potential. Incorporate fresh herbs such as parsley, thyme, and a bay leaf early in the cooking process to infuse the soup with their fragrant essence. For an extra layer of warmth and complexity, a small amount of minced garlic or grated fresh ginger can be a wonderful addition. Now let's perfect the star ingredients, the noodles and chicken. To avoid mushy noodles, cook them separately in salted water until al dente. Then, add the cooked noodles directly to individual serving bowls just before ladling in the hot soup. For the chicken, shred your cooked chicken meat into bite-sized pieces and incorporate it into the soup during the last 5 to 10 minutes of simmering. This method keeps the chicken tender and prevents it from drying out. Finally, let's talk about those crucial finishing touches. Taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small splash of fresh lemon juice at the very end brightens all the flavors beautifully. For an unexpected boost of umami, consider adding a dash of fish sauce or soy sauce. Garnish each bowl with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs, such as dill or chives, just before serving for a vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.